Binance identity verification failed. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can solve the Binance identity verification failed. So make sure to stick with me till the very end. So if you have been trying to verify something on Binance, which is your face or your ID, and it says identity verification failed, now sometimes it actually gives you the reason as to why it failed. There could either be a problem with your document not being clearly visible or with your face verification. Firstly, you have to make sure to upload a legal document, and then it should not be screenshot or a scanned document. It should be a real picture of a document on a plain background. And then another thing is it should not be a handwritten document, and international language are not accepted. It should always be in English. And also your face should match the face on your document. So if you had beard then and now you don't have any beard, then it could be the reason as well. So you want to make sure that's the case, and also make sure to remove your glasses. Hopefully this solved the issue. Thank you all for watching until the end, and stay tuned to the next upload.